So Jira board we'll see now. How the sprint will start and everything, I'll show you now. So this is the backlog, product backlog, right? You're seeing all the user stories are there. So the product backlog. So let me create a one sprint. Oh, I'll create a sprint, okay? Sprint 2, where this is sprint 1, this is sprint 2. So just drag and drop, see that. Your sprint 1, you can just drag and drop in this sprint 1 from this product backlog. So I'll just move this to sprint 1. Okay, so now it came to sprint 1. See that? It's in the to-do list. To-do list is not ready for development. Next, registration. Also, I'm moving here. Second one. And I'll put a dashboard. Okay. So these are the 3 user stories. But where are the for testers user stories? So I'm going to create a tester user stories. I can create a task. This is the task. I'll create a task for the tester. What is the tester? Design test cases for login scenario. That's it. Should come here, right? So let me create here. Design test cases for registration. It's a task. So it is available. I can drag and drop here. So I can drag and drop here. So this I can drag and drop this one. But this is the one I am dragging drop. Sprint. This one. So user stories will go to development team and the task will go to a testing team. Task will go to a testing team. So I'm going to create one more. Create test cases for login scenario.
Will that be differentiated with that color or something?
Yes, you can see, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Green color is a user story.
Mm.
And this one is a epic, the feature. Epic means already told, right? It's a big feature, big requirement. So this one is a task. In blue color, it's a task. And red color means it's a defect.
Okay.
So that's how you will see the different issue types in the Jira. Okay. So now I have one more, right? I need to create one more for create test cases for dashboard. So let me move this to sprint 1. Okay. So developers are ready and testers activities also ready. So I need to one by one, I will assign this epic to SB feature. This is the SB feature, SB feature, SB feature, SB feature. But here we need to add a details, right? We need to add details. So that's okay. We can add details, not a problem. So I can give this user story. I'll tell, okay, refer QAT3 user story. Please design the test cases for user story QAT3, right? QAT3. That's it. Okay, you have a story points estimation. You have to give how many story points you need. So I will ask, first I'll assign to the personals. First, we are just what you are doing, planning. So I'll discuss one by one. Okay, first how to pull the stories from backlog to the sprint I am showing. So this is the start sprint means, so it will start the sprint today. Start the sprint. So 2 weeks. 2 weeks means 2, 1, 2. So what is the end date? End date will be on 15th, right? So hey, sprint is started. So now see all the task and everything, it is assigned to me now. But I need to assign to the team, right? Where is my team? I don't have a team. I need to add my team to this board, this Kanban board or Scrum board. This is a Scrum board. So to-do list in progress done, but still I will create more. I'll show you that. So let me add the people. So do you have anybody here? I don't have anybody. I will add. Let me add the people. So first, can you all ping the email IDs there or not yet? Ishwari Kakulu, that's it, right? Rajeshwari?
Yeah.
Okay. So you will get a mail, okay? Please accept quickly and you can see that. Let me add Janani. Okay. So Bhargavi. I don't know how many people I can add because it's an open source, right? But that's why I'm just giving priority to guys who are pinging the email address. Okay. So add 4 people. So you will get a mail, please accept that. So that you can access this Jira board and you can see that. So you added 4 people to your project and 4 new licenses have been added to Jira. Okay. So you can manage their project access to the project from the project settings. Manage Jira users in user management. Okay. So 4 people. So I can see them. Once you accept, I can see you guys. So you got a mail? Did you get a mail?
Not yet.
Not yet?
No, sir.
You should see an email.
Even I didn't receive any.
Is it? Let me check.
Received, Ramesh.
Received, huh? You received?
It is asking to sign in.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sign in.
even I have received.
Yeah, sign in.
It's asking for the role and stuff. Do I skip that or just give it, Ramesh?
Yeah, you can keep that, not a problem.
Okay. Now, yeah, I'm able to see the page.
You're able to see, right? Very good. So let me add you to the one of the user stories, okay?
Okay.
I will assign. So now assign is my name. Now I can see your names. So I'll type Janani. See, I can see your name, right? So now I am assigning this to you guys, okay? Janani, you are the owner for this login scenario. So your name will show here. Can you see here?
I can see it.
Right. So that means I assigned a task to you.
Okay.
Whoever completed. Rajeshwari, you completed? Okay. Rajeshwari is available. So I assigned a registration to you, Rajeshwari.
Yeah.
I can see Rajeshwari now. So Bhargavi, are you ready? See? Now Bhargavi is also ready. See, Bhargavi also I can see. So now this one, again I'll assign this to one by one. I'll do, who else pending? Gopal, I think, right? I cannot see him. He didn't do that. Balgaud, Bala. So I'm assigning the test case design for registration. See, now I can assign this to Janani. I'll assign this to Rajeshwari. So this is the how the task assignment will happen. And every day, once you just started working on that. What you need to do, just move this to in progress. Today means not you haven't started yet. In progress means what is the meaning of that? You started your work.
Okay.
Is this clear?
Yes.
You started on this and you can enter your comments every day. So today I worked on this part. So I'm working on this and we go to this story and you enter your details. What you have done. So that tracking will be there and they will monitor.
Okay.
They won't bother you.
So you have assigned to me, I moved it to a in progress column and write a comment on it, right?
Write the comment what you are doing on that. Okay.
Okay.
So just to put some comment. So developing login scenario, something you put it. Okay.
Okay.
Just write some comment.
Okay.
Where to write the comments? You know, right? There is a comments box. Bottom side. So comments. Here is the comment. Add comment. Okay. Write the comment. You can attach the screenshots. Any other screenshots are there. You can attach here. Even your test case document also you can attach here. Okay. That's how you can do all.
That means what task we done on today. That means
Yeah, you just
whatever the
write there what. Yeah, what date and you put date, what task you did and all those things. Okay, so that's the story. So the Jira board we call this, and also see it's in the sprint is in the running mode. Now I can add a few more here.
Test manager, you're assigning the tasks to the teams, right?
Right.
Ramesh?
So generally, Scrum Master will do that. Okay, Scrum Master and product owner in the sprint planning meeting day, it will happen. So story points also we need to assign how many stories you want, you need to write here. For example, you want 5 story points. So like this, that's a story points. Okay. So 5 story points I have given. Next. So this one also, let's give the story points here itself. So maybe you want a bigger one, right? Maybe 8 story points. Okay. Why it is a registration is a bigger one, right? That's why I have given that one. And a dashboard. So dashboard creation also. It's a tricky. I can give 8 story points. So like this. Okay. And test case writing, it doesn't take much time. So I can give test cases. So how many we are given? 3. I can give 3. It doesn't take much. So test case for dashboard. This is also 3 I can give. So where is the registration? Registration we are given. Okay. So this we have given story points. We have given this one also. Registration. Yeah, so you can see the story points are appearing here. Can you see here? This is the name of the person and story points also appearing here. So this one is missing, I think. So I can see 3 story. Test case design doesn't take much, maybe 2 days maximum. That's it. That's why I given less story points. So whoever started working, just move it to this in review. And there is one more status we need to develop, that is testing. In testing. So one more I want to add, that is in testing completed. Storyboard. I'll go to storyboard. Let me go to storyboard. I want one. I want this. Interesting. So before done, it should be in testing. Okay. So this is the statuses. No, they will configure. Say to do, in progress, development completed, in review. So development, it is not applicable for the testing team. You can move it to in review or in testing, whatever it is. Okay. So this is how you will move your user stories or whatever the task assigned to you. And you will comment every day on the these tasks. So how much you complete, and they will open in the storyboard and this one. So the stand-up meeting time, they will open this board and they will ask one by one. Okay. If I click on this, only the generally related story point, the user stories and tasks will be shown on the board. If I click on the Rajeshwari ones, because I clicked on the Janani also, that's why both is showing. So like this, it will show each person how many user stories and tasks assigned to that person. And you have to give the status. If you haven't started, why you haven't started, they will ask question. Be ready to prepare those question answers. Okay. Or any blocker is there, and so which is blocking you, and all you can tell that. Yeah. So that's all about the Jira board and how sprint will start. And every day the sprint stand-up meetings, how you are going to give a status on this user story, you have to give a status. If any blocker is there, you write there why you are not able to proceed. So comment it. How to comment, I have shown you. So how to move the status to different cards, I have shown you. And so that's all. And tomorrow I'll show you how to execute the test cases and how to report the defect tomorrow in the Jira board. Jira's, I'll show you. Here is the create button. You can use this to create the, so whatever issue type you want. Like you want to create a task, or you want to create a subtask, or you want to create a user story, or you want to create a epic, anything. This is the issue types. Any issue type you can create with a create button. Just create. And you can create, say this is the issue types: story, task, bug, epic. Okay. So that we'll see our project name has come automatically. So summary, description, assignee, labels, and sprint, which sprint it is, what are the story points, and all you can create a plan start date, plan end date. So any attachments you can add, all those things. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see this defect template and how to report the defect, and I'll show you tomorrow. So these are all practical examples that you are going to do in the real time. That's why I'm mimicking as it is what we are going to do in the real time. Any questions?